What's up, my people? It's your boy Zubi King here once again with another update. So today we are gonna talk about this particular project which I'm about to pin on my Telegram channel. So this is it. This is another project just like Major. We all know that Major is about to list by next month, which is November, sometime November. They're gonna list by next month. So we are looking for next project that is going to cook the way Major is about to cook for us. So that is where this particular project called rating comes in place, and I kid you not, this project is going to be massive. So what you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this my channel, of my Telegram channel. Make sure you join my Telegram channel through the link in the description of this video. Follow the link in the description, join my Telegram channel, and it's going to bring you over to this place. Once it bring you over to this place, you won't have any single rating there. So what you have to do is to click on end here, and then you have to subscribe to the channel. Click on subscribe to the channel, to their channel, Telegram channel, and once you're done with it, click on check subscription. It's going to load up a bit, and then as you can see, it's going to be task complete. So try your best to do any particular task here which is good for you. So this particular place, I'm going to click on connect wallet. So I'm going to connect my wallet. So once I'm done with it, I'm going to click on it. So click on subscribe to X, and then click on subscribe. It's going to take you over to their Twitter handle. Subscribe to it and click on check subscription. You're going to see that some of your tasks is going to be completed. There's nothing much to do here. You don't have anything to stress yourself with the project, just like Major don't stress their users. So the next thing is to click on game over here, and it's going to be giving you free spin. So it depends on the tickets you have for spin. So if you click on free spin here, as you can see, I'm having 16 tickets. So I'm going to click on roll over here. So don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to get tickets both by daily login and other things. So as you can see, I just got the 90 rating. So if I click on roll again, it's going to be doing for me. I can increase it to 10x of my 10% of my tickets. It's going to increase, or it's going to give me a chance of earning more or losing more. So remember, so as you can see, I now get 1.2 rating or 1,200 rating. So this is what it can do. As you can see, now I'm now having only 4 tickets left. If I click on it, it's going to load up and give me 120 rating again. So if I click on roll again, I'm going to use up my tickets now. So that's just it. The last one is this particular one that I'm about to do. So let me just get done with it and show you guys how much tickets I've gotten. So I'm not more having any tickets right now, and it's asking me to buy more tickets. So if you go back to my account, you see that from 16,000 rating to 21,000 rating, and according to the price they are actually selling their rates here, it seems that the project is going to do big, because for me to get this 21,000 rating is going to cost me a lot of Telegram star if I'm to buy it. So a lot of people have been using money to buy and go over to the top. If you go over to the top here, you see that a lot of members use money to buy. If you want to become a king, if you click on it, it's going to ask you to buy with 100 star, and you guys know how much 100 Telegram star is, and a lot of people are using money to buy their rating and reach to this top. But I'm asking you guys to don't buy anything. Just try your best to engage in earning their token and then playing their spin. So again, if you invite your friends, it's going to give you 750 rate plus one ticket to spin. If you invite any premium user, it's going to give you 1,000 rate plus 2 tickets to spin. So what you have to do is to go ahead, copy your referral link, go over to Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you can get easy referral, invite them, and they're going to increase your chance of earning more. So this is it. I don't want to waste you guys time on this video. I just want to introduce this particular project to you guys. There's nothing much I want to say on it. Just try your best to increase your rating amount and spin and do anything that are required. Try your best to complete any task which you can. If you can use money, then use money. If you cannot use money, just do the free ones. Just like me, I'm doing the free ones because I believe that AirDrop is supposed to be free. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from this video. My name is still remains Zubi King, and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.